Okay, we are on lesson 11 of hands-on algebra, and today you're going to learn that you can't simply solve every single problem by just removing pawns from each side. Sometimes you're going to need to add pawns in order to solve the equations. So, the problem that we have to start with is 2x equals star plus 6. Now, there's nothing I can do here right off the bat. We want to have this 6 cubed on the right side by itself. So we need to find a legal move that can remove the white pawn that's next to it. And obviously we don't have a blue pawn on each side to remove. We don't have a white pawn on each side to remove. So we can't do any of those moves. But we can add a blue pawn to each side of the balance system. That still would be considered a legal move and a balanced equation. So I can add a blue pawn to each side of this equation, and then what do you see next to my red cube that you can do as a legal move? Lynn?
You can take away the pair.
I can take away the pair because together they equal 0. And that leaves me with 3 x's equals 6. So what does x equal?
X equals 2.
X equals 2. It's that easy. Simply by adding one to each side rather than taking one away, created a 0 that you can remove together, gives you the answer that easily. So we have a couple of examples here. We have 3x equals star plus 4. Well, what can I do that's a legal move that can help me solve this problem? Similarly to what we just did. Vanessa?
Add a pair to the blue pawn side.
Okay, I could definitely do that, but what did we just learn that we could do? Instead of taking away, we can start off by adding the same thing to each side. So let's do that first. So I can add a blue pawn to each side. Then what can I do? Chris?
Take away the 0.
Then I can take away the 0. That gives me 4 x's equals 4. What does x equal? Truman, if 4 x's equals 4, what does x equal?
X equals 1.
You got it. X equals 1. Let's do another example. Now I have 3 x's equals 2 stars plus 15. So, using the skill, the legal move that we just learned, Lynn, what can I do?
Put 2 x's on each side.
I can put 2 x's on each side. Let's start by doing 1. And now I can take away
0.
the 0. And let's do another one. And now I can take away the 0. That leaves me with 5 x's equals 15. What would 1x equal? Chad?
X equals 3.
X equals 3. Excellent job. I think that is the end of lesson 11. Thank you.